Have you ever wondered what those first few numbers on your credit or debit card mean? Well, you're not alone. Today we're diving deep into the world of finance to explore the bank identification number, or BIN for short. The BIN is the digital fingerprint of your payment card. It's the first 4 to 6 digits on your card that identify the issuing bank and categorize the type of card you're using. When you swipe your card at a store, the merchant's terminal reads the BIN, immediately knowing which bank issued the card and what type of card it is. This fast communication helps authorize the transaction and ensures a smooth payment process. It's also a key player in fraud prevention and identity theft protection. Now that we understand how BINs work, let's explore how to find them and why they're so important. Finding the BIN details of a payment card might sound like a daunting task, but fear not. We've got you covered with these simple steps. First, conduct a BIN database research to get a list of different banks. Then, punch in those first 6 digits of your card and match the results. And remember, stay updated because BINs can change over time. Now let's switch gears and talk about protecting your BIN against fraud. This is crucial for keeping your financial information safe and secure. From using strong passwords to being wary of phishing scams, there are plenty of ways to safeguard your BIN and your finances. Regularly monitor your card activities, update your passwords frequently, and never share your card details over unsecured networks. Following these steps can go a long way in protecting your BIN and, by extension, your hard-earned money. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about why BINs are so important in today's financial landscape. BINs play a vital role in card issuer verification, fraud prevention, and streamlining payment processing. Plus, they enhance the overall customer experience and help businesses trade globally with confidence. How, you may ask? Well, BINs act as a universal language in the financial world. They provide a fast, reliable way to identify the issuing bank of a card, helping to validate transactions and prevent fraudulent activity. In the blink of an eye, BINs can verify if a card is legitimate and if the issuer and type of card match up with the transaction details. This is essential in today's global economy, where transactions happen across borders in mere seconds. Moreover, BINs streamline the payment process, making it quicker and more efficient. This benefits both businesses and consumers, enhancing their overall experience. And there you have it, folks, a crash course on bank identification numbers. From understanding how they work to protecting them against fraud, BINs are a fundamental aspect of modern finance. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.